You will be having your lunches today in mine tunnels. I think the tunnels car drive will take you to the Parker's restaurant. Opel expect service to back about 3 o'clock, and all the others roughly around 8 p.m. You shall be back to the trainer. You won't have access to the day to come early or something, so please have all the belongings what you need for the day. And if you're feeling tired and if you wish not to, there's one more third look after you. We will not start on the coaches till about clock, ladies and gentlemen. Now will be our first call for our first meeting for Coach 1 and Coach 2. Breakaway National Parks, Opal Experience, and Painting Light. And main yes, roughly around 9:15, and we will make the call for Explore completed coach number 4 and our progressing currently in our diners. So you still have a good time to enjoy your breakfast. Roughly around 9 o'clock, we will make the first for the coach 1.